Hi everyone, my name's Jackie. I'm here with another tutorial from today's DIY Mama. Today we're going to be making this ribbon wreath, and I'm going to take you on a step-by-step process of how to make your very own, and it wasn't very difficult, and it was finished within probably about a half hour. I just seen the plaid ribbon today at Michael's, and I just knew I had to make a fall wreath out of it, and I'm super happy with how it turned out. And there's little strips of orange glitter ribbon, and I just love the little bit of sparkle that's coming through. I hope you enjoy this. If you do, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up so we can continue making more tutorials for you. All right, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna get started making our ribbon wreath, and these are the supplies that we're gonna use. This 14-inch embroidery hoop, and then I have two of it's wired ribbon. It's 2.5 inches by 12 feet, and we're going to use 24. I'm hoping that it's going to be enough. I might need to get another roll, or maybe even two. And then I just have this little glitter wreath. It is 3/8 of an inch, and it's 5 yards, so it's 15 feet. And I did start making it already because I wasn't sure the look that I wanted. So I did end up, I'm going to go with this the whole way around, and it is, I cut these into 18-inch or 16-inch strips and just tied them on double knot. And then this I cut into 10-inch strips, and I am gonna go 2 of the plaid ribbon and then 1 of the little sparkly ribbon. So 2 and then 1 and 2 and 1 the whole way around. So I'm just going to cut these all into 16-inch strips. Let's see if this will cut the wire. It's not really doing it. So I'm just going to use my scissors. And I'm just going to continue till the whole thing is cut into 16-inch long strips. And I was at Michael's, and everything is on sale today, like 40 to 60% off, and I seen this ribbon and I knew that I just had to make a wreath with it because I loved it. And let's see here, this, we'll put that guy off to the side. And it looks like I'm going to be making another trip to Michael's to get more of this. So I'm just going to finish cutting this up, and then I'm going to cut this one too into 10-inch strips. So I'm going to finish that, and then we'll come back and we'll start putting the wreath together. Okay, so I got all the ribbons cut, and I cut 2 of these 5 yards accent ribbons, and so that's 30 feet. And then I did end up going to Michael's and getting more. So I have 4 rolls of this to equal 48 feet, and I cut them all 16 inches, and the accent are 10 inches. So it's a real simple process. Get stuff out of the way. All right, and then here's our 14-inch embroidery hoop. Right. So we're just going to take it underneath and just simply tie it in a simple bow, and then once again try to get them both even on both sides. And that's that. So we'll do 2 of those. Just tie it in a simple bow. Pull it up tight, and then once again and then there's 2 of those, and then we do the accent, and it's the same process. Just tie it once, and then tie it twice. And this is only glittery on one side, so I try to make it so that the glitter's in the front. It's one of those, and then 2 of these. All right, and then I'm just simply gonna go around the whole loop, just doing the exact same pattern, and we'll be back when that's all done. All right, so we got the wreath all done, and we did use 4 rolls of the plaid ribbon, which was 48 feet, and 2 rolls of the accent ribbon, which was 30 feet. But it's all done, and so now we'll just go around and clip all the frayed edges and get everything fluffed up. Pull our accent ribbon out. That was, if I was going to do it again, I probably would make that longer, but it's fine. I think it looks really cute. It's very nice for fall with the orange and the black, and I am excited. And then you can hang some other, put some other details on it if you want to, like flowers or like a letter. I do have a letter here. Can hang that in the center. I think that will look good. And I already painted this gray with chalkboard paint, and I can just go and put some dots or stripes or something on it in orange or white to make it more colorful. But I think it looks really good, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. If you like this video, if you like this tutorial, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. I'd greatly appreciate it, and I'll bring you more tutorials in the future. All right, thank you.